Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, we're taking a stroll along the beautiful sandy beaches of Karen Beach in Thailand. The crystal clear water, soft white sand, and beautiful scenery are simply breathtaking. We start our walk at the southern end of the beach, where you'll find plenty of beach chairs and umbrellas for rent. As we walk north along the beach, you'll notice that it's not as crowded as some of the other beaches in the area. There's plenty of space to find a spot to relax and enjoy the view. As we walk, you'll see the beautiful blue waters and the green mountains in the distance. The scenery is truly breathtaking, and it's easy to forget your troubles as you take in the beauty around you. We'll pass by several restaurants and bars along the way, so if you're feeling thirsty or hungry, there are plenty of options to choose from. One of the highlights of Karen Beach is the sunsets. As we continue our walk, we'll reach the northern end of the beach, where you'll get a stunning view of the sun setting over the ocean. It's the perfect way to end the day and unwind after a long day of exploring. As we finish our walk along Karen Beach, I hope you enjoyed the beautiful scenery and the relaxing vibe of this amazing location. If you liked this video, please leave a comment below and let me know what you thought. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more travel videos in 4 Kelvin.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!